And now we can see both has been succeeded. AWS CodeCommit and CodeDeploy. If you want to see the details, you can click here. I'll just open it in a new window. So deployment is successful. These are the two instances where it happened. Let's see the deployment details first. So this is looking fine. I'll just view the events for one of the instances. Great. It started with the what was mentioned in the YAML file. Application stop, download bundle before install after install, application start, validate service. So everything is looking good. So now let's go and check whether the web server is deployed correctly or not. So I'll go and I'll select one of the instances. Suppose for this one, the first one, I'll just go to this public DNS. Yes, you got the message. You have successfully deployed this website using AWS CodeDeploy and CodePipeline. Now, what is pending is if we are making any changes to the code in the repository, so how it will be detected and it will be deployed automatically. So that is what the basic funda of using CodeDeploy and CodePipeline. So just a moment. I've already connected to my repository. So this thing we have done in the previous video, the code commit and all. So what I will do, I will just check the git status. So there is nothing to commit now, right now. Okay, I'll go to my repository, my repo, and I will open the index.html file. And I'll make some changes here. Okay, let's go this way only. So we have the background color as black, right? So I'll just make it blue. So this is a code for blue. So I have made the background color changes from black to blue. I will close it. I'll save and close. So it's done. Now I need to commit this change. So I will use the command git add index.html because this is the file which got changed. So I'll just add it. Okay, so I think it's added. It's giving some warning, but that is not the issue. Now I will give a commit. And I'm giving a message as well. Okay, so it's telling what has changed in the index file. So that's fine. And now I will just give a command git push origin master. So whatever the changes has been done, it will be pushed to master. So I guess we are good. We have pushed the changes to master. So to verify that, let's go and check it there. I'll go to AWS CodeCommit. I'll go to my repository. I'll go to index.html. So yes, we have changed the background color. And now if you go to CodeCommit and pipeline, you see it already started checking the code and updating its code commit and code deploy thing. So it's in progress. it detected the changes, and it in some time it will deploy the changes to the servers. So let's wait for some time until it is in progress, and after some time we'll be seeing a different background color on the web page. So currently we have a black background. Now it's completed at the source. It's going on in staging. So now you can see both the deployment are successful. The code change has been updated successfully. Now if we refresh this page, let's see what happens. Yes, we got a different background. So that means the changes has been detected and deployed successfully into the environment. So this was all about code deploy and code pipeline. Hope you liked it. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.